this trial has been all about contrast, and the jury deliberations were no different. After 12 full days of testimony, hearing from 8 expert witnesses, hearing from and watching video, 9 hours or more of videotape and images, and a lot of it was graphic, and thousands of documents in this case, it took this jury 40 minutes max to reach its decision. Huge mountain of evidence, very swift deliberation. It was a decision that family members and survivors hailed once they heard it. There were spontaneous standing ovations for the prosecutor and for members of the jury as they came out of the courtroom. And the closing arguments were also starkly different. Another contrast here. It was actually the defense that employed an emotional argument, telling the jury, you have to be insane to do something like this. It was the state that was pragmatic with their closings, telling the jury, you just take the evidence that the defense gave to you, you plug it into this very simple test from the Maryland statute to see if he's sane or not, and then you get your answer. And then they told the jury the defense didn't give you any evidence to plug into the test. And the jury obviously understood that. They came to this decision very quickly, and here is reaction to that from the prosecutor, State's Attorney Ann Kourtlaitis.
What I'm going to take away from this, and I want everybody else to take away from it, is the heroes like Wendy Winters, who probably bought her co-workers additional time by charging him with her trash can and a recycling can.
My name's Summerlee Geimer. I'm Wendy Winters' youngest child. I'm here with my sister today. My other 2 siblings couldn't be here. We're so grateful to the state's attorney and everyone in the offices and all the first responders and everyone who testified and had the courage to get up there and tell their story, and especially to the jury who had to see what the survivors saw.
When I buried my husband, I put the Constitution book in his pocket because I hoping there is justice. And today, that Justice Day, I'm really glad.
You may have noticed a lot of the family members were wearing red. We noticed it and we asked. And Summerlee, who was Wendy Winters' youngest daughter, told us it was her mom's favorite color. And she said one of the last things her mom said to her was black and white and red all over. It was like a newspaper joke, and Summerlee kind of chuckled and said she's so young, she didn't really get it, but it means something to her now, and that's why they wore black and white and red. What this verdict means in legal terms is that the gunman will spend the rest of his life in prison. There will be no parole, and Ms. Leitis told family members in a private conversation up on the 4th floor that in 8 or 9 weeks, he will be in a maximum security prison in Western Maryland, to which one family member responded, "Thank God." Reporting live from Annapolis tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.